Hey guys, what's up? What's good? Welcome back to my channel. You guys, today's video is going to be on another product. This particular product, I'm going to tell you, I did not like. I have products from this same brand, and I can tell you that I have really enjoyed them. I have really felt that they worked on my skin. And this particular product just didn't, it didn't work at all. I honestly feel like I have seen no difference in my skin, and so yeah, I don't like it. So I probably had this product for probably right under 2 months, and I mean in a month's time you kind of feel like you should see something, and I probably had this about 6 or 7 weeks now. But this is the Dark Spot Rapid Repair Retinol Treatment, and it says that it also contains kojic acid, and it's by Urban Skin RX, and the product looks like this here. Just a little white container. It has a pump at the top, and I do feel like it pumps out quite a bit of product. If you have like a little small face like I do, I don't really feel like you need a whole pump, because it just, like, you can literally like spread it down like your neck. That's how much one pump is. And you guys, I have the cleansing bar, the uneven skin tone cleansing bar, and I've thoroughly enjoyed that product. I do feel like, in the, probably because I've had 3 containers now of that, and it's probably been about 5 or 6 months of me using that. I do feel like that it did initially help with my dark spots, and I definitely feel like it helped with my my blackheads. Like, my blackheads pop out so easy, it's ridiculous. Like, they just really are just sitting on top of my skin. Honestly, that's because I'm using that cleansing bar. But again, I do feel like initially it did help my dark spots. You know how you kind of feel like, you use a product and then you've used it so long it kind of wears off, it doesn't do as much anymore. That's how I feel about the cleansing bar. So that's why, and what prompted me to try out the dark spot treatment. So yeah, like I said, I've been trying it probably about 7 weeks now. I've had this product for a long time, and I literally use this product in the morning time and at night. And I've just literally seen no difference in my skin. And to make myself feel like, okay, yeah, this product is going to work for me, or I want it to work for me, like, I make sure that I exfoliate my skin before I use this product. I've also had a facial twice to make sure that, the products are actually seeping through my skin. Is that even the word? Why does it doesn't even feel like that's the word? But they're just, penetrating my first layer of my skin. So like I said, I've tried my best to make this work. I've even also did the dermaplaning, and I also shaved my face as well, to really make sure that the product is really getting, into my skin like it should. And I've honestly seen no difference in my skin whatsoever. So I don't like it. Like, I literally don't like it. There's really no odd smell to it. It's a creamy, watery, not watery, I don't want to say watery, but it gives you that kind of feel like, those water hydrating moisturizers. Yeah, yeah, it gives me that type of feel because it spreads out so easily, so smoothly. It just didn't work for me, guys. Like, I've literally seen no difference. I wish I really had a picture of before and after, but it kind of would be kind of biased because I also use the even tone bar, and that works for my blackheads. And I feel like, if I really wanted to try this out, I probably shouldn't try the even tone cleansing bar with it. But no, it literally has not worked for me. I don't like it. It does have SPF in it. I don't think my skin has gotten worse at all. I don't think that, but I don't think it's gotten any better since using the product itself. So to me, it was a waste. Definitely a waste. Like I said, if you want to try something out from them, I would definitely try the Acne Cleansing Bar, the Even Skin Tone Bar, and what else? And possibly the, there's a serum. I'll have to leave it in the video or something. But those 3 products, I can guarantee you guys, like, you're really probably going to love them, because they definitely helped out my skin a lot. Not as much as I wanted them to, but they still did help my skin, especially the Acne Cleansing Bar and especially the Even Tone Cleansing Bar. Like, those are my go-to products. Like I said, I'm on jar number 3 for the cleansing bar, the Even Tone one, and I've only been through one of the acne bars because my acne hasn't really just been like flaring up or anything like that. Like, if I feel like I'm getting a pimple, I use that, and I also use my Prid to clear that up. But other than that, like, I don't really need my acne cleansing bar. Thank you, God. But the Even Tone bar, like, I use that shit religiously, period. Like, I do. So I thoroughly love that. But this here, this little product is too pricey for it not to have done anything for my blemishes, for my uneven skin tone. But what are your thoughts? Have you tried out this here dark spot rapid repair treatment that also includes the retinol? Did you like it? Did your skin, you know, change any bit at all? Have you tried anything else from Urban Skin RX? Let me know down in the comment section below. I hope you guys liked this type of video, and if you did, make sure you give me a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.